let's also tell our viewers how Pakistan has completely failed in its attack against India. Look at this. Look at the multiple locations that India has struck at. As you can see, right from Srinagar, Avantipura, Jalandhar, Jammu, Pathankot, till here, the entire northern and western international border till Bhuj in Gujarat had been, tried by Pakistan to be attacked. That attack has been foiled by the Indian armed forces, whether it's downing of their drones or missiles, the debris of missile also being found at several locations. Remember, evidence of the fact that Pakistan's aims have been foiled and completely failed in India. Right from Amritsar, you remember one of the first debris of missiles that was found was in Amritsar. There were other locations as well, whether it's Samba, Nagrota, Pathankot, Jammu, Udhampur, Akhnur. These are the places where India has retaliated strongly and firmly against Pakistan. Those attempts, ladies and gentlemen, by Pakistan have been completely foiled. Now remember, you are seeing on your screens right now, that is undeniable proof of the deep-rooted nexus between terrorists and the Pakistani army, something we've been exposing every single day and India has been reiterating at various global fora. This time, the evidence is glaring and irrefutable, viewers. Visuals show Pakistan using sniper fire to deliberately target unarmed civilians across the LOC, which is a tactic meant for the battlefield, now shamefully turned on innocents. Even a Times Now vehicle, remember, was hit in this shelling and tragically one civilian has lost their life in the Uri area. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the impact that Pakistan is trying to do on Indian civilians. Innocent, unarmed civilians who have done nothing wrong. They are only part of India, and that is why Pakistan is targeting them. But remember, Indian Armed Forces is giving a befitting response. And all of this that you see is evidence of the failures of Pakistan. Poonch, Hoshiarpur in Punjab, civilians' homes have been damaged. Civilian targeting, remember, is one of the most heinous things you can do. But here it is. Pakistan has been telling the world, its ministers, its leadership has been going to several interviews and saying we will only hit their military infrastructure, beg your pardon, and not hurt the civilians. But this is proof of how Pakistan has been lying on various global fora. Look at this. Uri, Pak sniper killed a woman. In fact, one of these snipers had also targeted a Times Now vehicle. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is proof of what we've been saying, what India and India's governments, successive governments have been saying, that Pakistan lies. When we blame them, when the world asks for accountability, they play the victim card. And that, again, is responsible. Don't be surprised if you see yet another statement from Pakistan's leadership that they are the victims and that India is lying. But let's also quickly take you through these ground reports that my colleagues have sent from Jammu and Kashmir and several other areas.
There were 9 family members who were moving to a safer location when this shelling started and it hit the rooftop of this particular vehicle. If Yogesh could show you, this is the kind of impact which has happened because of the shelling and the mortar shells pierced into this the roof of this particular vehicle, and one woman has died. This is the kind of situation which has been witnessed while these family members were moving to a safer location. Suddenly, while the vehicle was on the road, the shelling started and that has taken life of one person. If Yogesh would once again show you that how people who were going for the safer location were attacked, and this particular shelling has taken life of one woman who was on her route to a safer location. आप लोग उस समय कहाँ पे थे और आपकी बेगम?
मैं घर में था। इनको हमने भेजा इधर बारामूला आने के लिए, इनके घर में आने के लिए भेजा और रास्ते में मोहरा में शेलिंग हुई। उधर से आया फायर तो उसको लगा, गाड़ी से अंदर आया।
तो आप लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे थे तब शेलिंग हुई?
हाँ, गाड़ी में जा रहे थे 8 बजे के करीब। हम इधर आ रहे थे बारामूला। हाँ, हम तो घर में थे, तो ये इधर आ रहे थे।
आप अपने घर में थे, अपनी फैमिली को आपने वहाँ से शिफ्ट किया सेफर लोकेशन के लिए? सेफर लोकेशन के लिए। और रास्ते में गाड़ी पे शेलिंग हो गई? शेलिंग हुई गाड़ी पे। कितने लोग थे गाड़ी में?
गाड़ी में 9 आदमी थे।
9 आदमी थे?
हाँ, 9 में से 2 एक जख्मी है, एक शहीद हो गई। मेरी फैमिली शहीद हो गई।
आपकी वाइफ थी वो?
जी जी।
किस आप जब वो वहाँ पे थे, अपने घर पे थे, अपने बच्चों को सेफ्टी के लिए आपने वहाँ से हटा दिया। कितनी देर तक शेलिंग होती रही वहाँ से? अब आप कब निकल?
ये तो सुबह 8 बजे तक।
सुबह 8 बजे तक शेलिंग होती
है।
काफी हैवी शेलिंग होती?
हैवी शेलिंग हुई। हम जहाँ बैठे थे मकान में, हमारे ऊपर से जाती थी, हम नीचे थे, उसमें एक फ्लोर था नीचे, उसमें बैठे थे।